Hello students, now here we are going to discuss one more partial differential equation which will be solved by the method of separation of variable. As we know that in this method we always take u, which is the function of xt, where x is the function of only x and t is the function of only t. But in this equation we can see that u is the function of x and y. So we will simplify this equation by taking u is the function of x into y, where capital X is the function of x and capital Y is the function of y. In the previous example, in the question, the function u was the function of x and t, but in this question, since u is the function of x and y, so we have selected u as the combination of x and y. In the same way, we will find del u upon del x and then del 2u upon del x square, del u upon del x, del u upon del y with the help of this equation 2. Then we will proceed in the same way as directed in the given differential equation. We will firstly obtain del u upon del x, which will be y time dx upon dx. Here we have used operator capital D, which is known as total derivative. Since here the capital X is only function of x, so del x upon del x will be equal to dx upon dx, dy upon dx. Here du upon del y is equal to x time dy by dy. Here this is a small y and this is the capital Y. Then del 2u upon del x square will be y time del 2x upon del x square. Substituting these values in equation 1, we will obtain as usual this equation. Here we will put derivative in the notation form. Y x double dash minus 2y x dash x y dash is equal to 0. Here y is common first and second, so x double dash minus 2x dash upon x is equal to y dash upon y is equal to 0. Here we have separated both the value x and y separately. Now as we know that we will always put x double dash minus 2x dash upon x is equal to minus time y capital Y dash upon y is equal to minus p square. This value is always put minus p square. Now we will solve first fraction and last fraction, second fraction and last fraction to obtain the solution in the form of x and y, or to find the value of x and y. Now putting x double dash x minus 2x dash upon x is equal to minus p square, we will get we will simplify this in the form of x double dash minus 2x dash p square x is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Roots of this equation will be find by the Sridharacharya method, and we will obtain the value of this given quadratic equation is 1 plus minus under root 1 minus p square. Since this equation is homogeneous equation, then only complementary function will exist, or we can say pi of the given differential equation will be 0. Here we have obtained two roots, distinct roots of given differential equation, so complementary function will be c1 e to power 1 plus under root 1 minus p square x, and other will be c2 e to power 1 minus under root 1 minus p square x. Pi is equal to 0. Then the general solution in the form of x will be only the complementary solution. Now we will go for the second part. Minus capital Y dash upon y is equal to minus p square. This will be solved. Here y capital Y dash dy upon dy is equal to y into p square by minus minus cancelled ho. So dy upon y is equal to p square dy. This will give log y p square y plus log c, we will use as a constant. Now the solution is y is equal to c3 e to power p square y. So by the help of separation of variable, we have find the value of capital X and capital Y. Now we will put it together, as we know that u is the function of x, y. So on combining x and y, we will get this is the value of capital X and this is the value of capital Y, which is the solution of the given differential equation. Here we have given much more problems in your notes available on the Google Classroom. So you are requested to see this video lecture completely and solve the given problem in your PDF notes available at Google Classroom. Thank you.